AAG recommends this Semi-D. Comes with one proper parking lot, spacious living room, functional kitchenette for those who love to cook, spacious master bedroom that can fit a good-sized bed, spacious bedrooms for your family. Let your imagination run wild to transform this house. Chilling out with your guest at this cozy corner. Enjoy exceptional views from your home. Call our AAG real estate consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and tie.